If you find yourself needing easier access to your truck bed, definitely check out this product by Boost Auto. This is a retractable bed step and it's easily deployed with one foot, and once you finish using it, just kick it back in. And then the best thing about this product is it bolts up to all of your factory hardware. The install is quick and easy, but the first thing we're going to do is take our main assembly and then the frame mount bracket, and we're going to go ahead and line this up just like you see here, and then we're going to insert these 13mm bolts. There's two of these up top, and then there's going to be a shorter one here for the bottom. These have washers and a lock washer. If you need to get some extra grip on this, I found out this curved portion gives you some more leverage. That'll help you make sure that you get everything nice and tight. After that, we'll attach our support bracket. There's two holes right here in the side of the main assembly. Just get those lined up, and then there's going to be two 13mm bolts in the kit. Go ahead and get those hand tight, and since a socket won't fit here, you're going to need to grab a ratcheting wrench to go ahead and get everything tightened down. Then we'll take our actual step pad and flip it over. You're going to see these two C channels on the bottom and these T-bolts that will slip right into those channels. So put 2 bolts in each of the channels and then go ahead and get this lined up with the step plate. So if you come up from underneath and just kind of manually move these, get them into place and then push it through. Each one of these is going to get a washer and then a lock nut on top. Boost Auto recommends just finger tightening all of these lock nuts. I did come back, however, and tighten one down a little bit more, even though I'm going to have to loosen it up later, but that way the step pad wasn't rolling around and making a bunch of noise while I was finishing the install. But again, you will have to loosen those up slightly at the end just to make sure that the step pad isn't hitting your frame. So with the step fully assembled, I went ahead and took the box that this was shipped in, laid it down for a little slide pad. We're going to come up underneath the truck here. These two big bolts here on the left, these are going to be your 24mm bolts, will need to be removed. And on the right, you're going to have two 13mm bolts that will also need to be removed. If you need some extra leverage on this, I did find out here you can kind of put your foot on this part of your frame and just kind of pull back if you need extra assistance breaking these larger 24mm bolts. As soon as you do, they'll come off by hand, so super easy to do. Just use a little bit of leverage and then move next door to the 13mm bolts. We're going to get both of these removed, and then everything's going to bolt right up into place. The frame that we put together earlier is going to go right over the studs of the 24mm, and then we're going to get all this tightened down. But since it was nearly impossible to film this step, I went ahead and just put the retractable bed step in place, and now I'm filming it after. So you can see here I've got the 24mm bolts tightened down, and then we've got our OEM 13mm bolts back into place. So it was a super easy install. It's just reversing what you just did. And now we're going to come back and tighten down the step pad. As you can see here, we've got it loose because you don't want it to hit this part of your frame, and you also don't want it to stick so far out one side that you don't like the way it looks. Just make sure that you leave enough on this side for your shoe to be able to catch it. That way you can actually deploy the step. And after that, it's really just kind of your preference. Just put it in position how you like it and then get everything tightened down, and then we're going to be ready to try this thing out. But first, we're going to do a quick bonus install. If you've ever wanted to brighten up your license plate lights, Boost Auto has you covered with a quick and easy plug and play setup here that just comes up underneath the bumper. You can see here there's a plastic housing for the light. You just push the tabs in and push it through to the other side of the bumper. We'll come around here and then go ahead and pull it all the way through. And with just a quarter twist, you'll be able to remove this housing and then pull the OEM light bulb out. And then we'll bring in Boost Auto's plug and play connector. So you just push this right into the socket where the light bulb was at. And then we'll go ahead and take this portion here, push it back in with a quarter turn, and then this project is complete. All you have to do is push this back into place and give it a click, and then you have a night and day difference on your license plate lights. You can see here how much brighter it is. This is going to be more of a white LED versus the factory OEM yellow LED that you typically see on the road. But getting back to the retractable step, one thing that really worried me about this product was that it was not going to look like it belonged on the truck, and it really at this point hasn't given me that vibe. It definitely seems like it fits in, it matches the top of the bumper, and also it just works really well. So it slides out and in just like it's supposed to do. It gives you access to your truck bed, so I definitely have no complaints there. If I have any issues with it holding up over time, I'll definitely report back and let you know. But overall, I definitely give it a thumbs up, and I think Boost Auto did a really good job with this product. But if you have any questions about the step or about the install, definitely drop those in the comments and I'll get back to you as quick as possible. In the meanwhile, appreciate you for tuning in.